Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a rapidly growing market that's changing the way we think about transportation, the electric vehicle fluids market. Imagine a world where electric cars are not only cleaner, but also more efficient and reliable. That's exactly what's happening with EV fluids, which play a crucial role in maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. At ElectroDrive News, we're here to break down the latest trends, technologies, and insights that will shape this market. The electric vehicle fluids market is expanding rapidly, driven by increasing demand for eco-friendly vehicles and advanced automotive technologies. According to recent reports, the global EV fluids market is expected to reach $13.4 billion by 2032, with a compound annual growth rate of over 20%. So what exactly are these EV fluids? Well, they're specialized liquids designed to improve the performance, efficiency, and safety of electric vehicles. There are several types of EV fluids available, including transmission fluids, coolantants, brake fluids, and more. One of the most significant factors driving this growth is the rise of hybrid and fully electric vehicles. As these cars become increasingly popular, manufacturers need specialized fluids to keep them running smoothly and efficiently. In fact, many major automakers have already begun investing heavily in EV fluid technology, with some even launching their own proprietary brands. At ElectroDrive News, we spoke with industry experts who share our excitement about the potential of EV fluids. They told us that these liquids are not only essential for electric cars, but also offer significant benefits for traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. From improving fuel efficiency to reducing emissions, the impact of EV fluids on the automotive industry cannot be overstated. As we look ahead to the future, one thing is clear: electric vehicle fluids will play a vital role in shaping the transportation landscape. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. If you want to stay up to date with the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles and EV fluids, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.